Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about a function generator, that is ICL8038 function generator. This ICL8038 is a audio frequency generator that is used to generate square wave, sine wave and triangular wave. Okay, the externally connected to capacitors charges and discharges by the current source to produce a triangular wave at the pin number 10. Okay, due to the discharging and charging of capacitor by the current source, it produces a triangular wave at pin number 10. Okay, this triangular wave is then connected to the two buffers. Okay, two comparator and buffers. Okay, to pass it, that is, it will pass through it and it is passing to the sine converter. Okay, which will produce a sine wave. Okay, these two are connected to the comparator and a buffer and then pass to the sine converter, which convert into the sine wave. Okay, the two comparators and the flip-flop will connect this triangular wave into a square wave. Okay, the two comparators and the flip-flop will convert this triangular wave, that is, will connect this triangular wave into a square wave. Okay, this sine converter converts the triangular wave into sine wave. Okay, this sine converter converts the triangular wave into sine wave. Okay, the flip-flop is also used to select the current source. Here the flip-flop is also used to select this current source. Okay, both the triangular and square wave form are available to use through the buffer. Square wave and triangular waveform can be obtained through the use of buffer. Okay, the output impedance of the sine wave output is however 1 kilo ohm. The output impedance is 1 kilo ohm and a separate non-inverting amplifier is also used with the sine wave input. Okay, separate non-inverting amplifier is also used along with the sine wave output. Here we have the waveform. This is the triangular waveform. Okay, this is the sine waveform and this is the square waveform. The features of this ICL8083 that is ICL8038 function generator is all the outputs are obtained simultaneously. Okay, it is available simultaneously. The frequency range is 0.01 Hz to 500 kHz. The frequency range of the output is 0.01 Hz to 500 kHz. Okay, there is low distortion in the output waveforms. Okay, and the low frequency drift. Okay, there is low frequency drift due to the change in temperature. Next, we can see about the frequency of the output waveforms. Okay, the output frequency is dependent on the value of the resistance R1 and R3. Okay, it is dependent on the resistance R1 and R3 along the external capacitor connected to the pin 10. Connected to the pin, external capacitor pin 10, we have, it is dependent on the value R1 and R3. Here, if RA is equal to RB is equal to R1 means, if RA is equal to RB is equal to R1 means, RC is adjusted for 50% duty cycle. Okay, if RA is equal to RB is equal to RA equal to R1 means RC is adjusted for 50% duty cycle. So that F0 is equal to, that is the output frequency is equal to 0.3 divided by RC. Okay, the output frequency F0 is equal to 0.3 divided by RC. Okay, next, this duty cycle, that is frequency adjustment. Okay, we can see about the frequency adjustment. The duty cycle and the frequency waveforms can be adjusted by controlling the pins number 4 and 5. By controlling the pin number 4 and 5, that is the values of R3 and R4 resistors can be adjusted. Okay, that is the pin number 4 and 5 can be adjusted to control the duty cycle. Okay, to obtain, that is frequency can be adjusted. The values of resistance RA and RB is connected between the pin 4 and 5. Okay. So respectively along with the capacitor at 4, that the capacitor is connected. So it will decide the frequency range. Okay. So RA and RB is connected between pin 4 and 5. So it will, and capacitor also connected at the pin 10. So it will decides the frequency of the output waveform. Okay. The values of RA and RB should be in the range of 1 kilo ohm to 1 mega ohm. Okay. The values of RA and RB should be in the range of 1 ohm to 1 kilo ohm to 1 mega ohm. Okay. So we have studied about ICL 8038 function generator. That's all. Thank you.